So what you can also do is you can go around and add in round corner effect on your pictures inside of GIMP. So in order to apply the round corner effect, you need to go around onto the filters menu right here, and then you need to go around over here under the decor section. So once you go around over here, you can see that round corners is an option. So if I were to go around onto round corners right here, just like this, then you can go around and change around the edge radius, as you can see right here, and change around the shadow offset, as you see over here as well, just like this. So once I go around over here, you can change around the blur radius as well, and that is what you have. And once you're happy with the options right here, you can add in a background as well, and then you can also let it work on a copy so that the original image remains unchanged. So if I were to go around and press OK right here, you can see that this is the round corners that's added in right here. There's the drop shadow that's added in, and there's the background around over here as well, and there's the round corners with shadow effect. We can go around, disable the background, as you can see right here as well. So that is how you can work around with the round corner effect inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.